And here's I will show you how to solve this problem. You need the official WhatsApp to use this account. The first solution is go to your Play Store, tap on your profile photo. Here, tap on Play Protect and tap on the settings icon. And here you will find this scan apps with Play Protect. Play Protect can scan this device and warn you about harmful apps. So we have to disable these two options. So go ahead and just disable Play Protect from your Play Store, just like so. Tap on turn off, verify your pattern or fingerprint, and then go ahead and check the issue. And the second solution is we have to clear our WhatsApp app cache files. So long press on your WhatsApp app, tap on this I button, and you directly jump into WhatsApp app info page in your settings. In here, you have to go down a little bit and just tap on storage. Here, tap on clear cache, and then go ahead and check the issue. If you're still having the same error, in this case, you have to reinstall the WhatsApp app. So first of all, make sure to completely uninstall the WhatsApp app and then go to your Play Store and now search for WhatsApp. And all you have to need, reinstall the official WhatsApp app from Play Store. And then again, go ahead and check the issue. And after following all of these solutions, if you're still having the same error, in this case, we have to contact WhatsApp customer support. So open a browser and type here WhatsApp support, and here you have to tap on contact WhatsApp, and in here tap on contact us, and here you will find a form. Make sure to disable desktop side, and here select your country code, write here your WhatsApp phone number, write here our email address and confirm the email address here. And here, how do you use WhatsApp? Here select your device. If you're having the problem in your iOS or iPhone, then you have to select iPhone. Then in this message box, you have to carefully describe that you are trying to log into your WhatsApp account, but you are facing these you need the official WhatsApp app to log in error. Just carefully describe your problem and then submit this request. And after that, you have to check your email address, because WhatsApp will send you mail via the email address you added in this box. So that's how you will be able to fix this problem. Thanks for watching.